howdy everybody, this is Steven Detweiler, and where am I? I'm at Val Ranch. That's where I tend to be when I'm shooting lately. And you want to pop your head in there, Robbie, and say hello? So I actually have Robbie out here today, and so we're able to do a few things together. I'm using his Canic, and we're going to be evaluating this is a hollow point as opposed to ball ammo, and see if we can catch the bullet and see how far each one of them goes through the water bottles. I hope I have enough water bottles. Let's see what the hollow point does. I need ears. I might get wet. Clear. Safe.
Looks like it made it through 3.
4.
About 4.
So here we go. The one that fell off the table. We got 1, 2, 1, 2, and 3. Let's see if it caught the round.
It did. It's inside that bottle. The third one. Next one.
This one?
Yep, it's in that one.
So we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yep.
Oh, hopefully these will maintain. We do have that in there, and we will retrieve it, but I'm gonna see if this will maintain water for the backside so we can do the ball ammo. Because if that went through 5, we only got 5 left.
Turn it the other way. Slow it down.
Yeah, because it's on an angle.
Yep.
Okay. So that gives us 6. Let's see where we're at here. Can you see the chair? There's the chair. There's the table. Throw another one up here just in case. Still got some water in it like that. There we go. I am now going to retrieve a ball ammo. I think it's 115 grain. I think this is Belle Etoile, or whatever that ammo is. Belle something, Salawala, something like that. Remember, I'm a professional. Not at shooting, at driving a truck. Still professional, ain't lying. All right, ears on, ball ammo. I like this Canic. Hot. All right. That was an explosion. One, 2, 3, 4. It didn't make the 5th. It did not make the 5th.
And it's in this one, I believe.
And it's in this one. All right, so I'm going to give this back to Robbie. It's clear. So let me get the film thingy. That's right, film thingy. Gotta have the film thingy. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so one of these has it in it. This bottle We'll let Robbie shoot that bottle because it's full. Okay. So there is that. Let's see if we can retrieve that. We should be able to retrieve 2 projectiles. Uh-oh. Dropped it. There's 1 projectile. One projectile. Hey, where'd the other projectile go? Is that magic? I'm pretty sure that's the hollow point. You'll let me know. Yep. So what it looks like to me is it appears that, because that's definitely the hollow point. See the spread on that? That I think we lost the ball ammo. It must have bounced out. But what did we learn? What did we learn, Robbie? Oh, the hollow point actually went through what, 5, and the ball ammo went through 4? That's what we learned. Hollow point versus ball ammo. The hollow point was more devastating. That's what we got for today, folks, and we can do this again. I've got 20 more water bottles saved up in my closet. I love you, God bless you, and I'll see you next time.